CoinPayU is a user-friendly platform and app for earning cryptocurrency, primarily Bitcoin Satoshis, through simple online tasks like viewing ads, completing offers, and referrals. Launched in 2017, it's legit for micro-earnings, with payouts to wallets like Faucet Pay or Direct Crypto. No upfront fees. Minimum withdrawal is 10,000 Satoshis, around 50 cents. Earnings are modest, 5 to 15 Satoshis per ad, but consistent use adds up. Available worldwide via coinpayu.com or Google Play app. Sign up, visit coinpayu.com, or download the CoinPayU Earn Rewards app. Click Register, enter email, username, password, and country. Verify via email OTP. Disable ad blocker for full access. Access dashboard. Log into view sections, view ads, offer walls, faucet, affiliate, and wallet. Bookmark for daily checks. Earn rewards. View ads. Click View ads. Select PTC, paid to click, or window ads. Watch 10 to 30-second ads. Keep tab active for window type. Earn 5 to 15 Satoshis each. 30 plus available daily. Offer walls. Complete surveys, app installs, or sign-ups via partners like coin.ph. Earnings. 1,000 Satoshis per task. Faucet. Claim free crypto every 60 minutes under Faucet. Games or surveys. In-app. Play casual games or take daily surveys for bonuses. Referrals. Share your link under Affiliate for 20% commission on referrals earnings. Level up. Complete tasks to increase your level, unlocking higher rewards. For example, Level 2, plus 10% bonuses. Withdraw earnings. Go to Wallet. Select Crypto, BTC, ETH, etc. Enter Faucet Pay or Direct Wallet address. Request payout, processed in 24-72 hours, low fees. Tips. Check every 2 to 3 hours for new ads. Use multi-monitor for window ads. Track progress via leaderboard. Aim for 1,000, 5,000 Satoshis or day with effort. Secure with 2FA. Avoid scams. Only use official site or app.